Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix that jitter in CS2. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you need to do here is to go to control panel, then you need to go to network and internet, then you need to go to network and sharing center, change adapter settings, and here you should find Wi-Fi. So right click diagnose, wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up, make sure it's Wi-Fi here, and then you need to look for restart Wi-Fi network adapter and restart adapter, right? Next up, what you need to do here is to go to your Wi-Fi, right click on it, go to a properties, then you need to go and press on configure. Then this window will open up, go to a advanced, and you will see few settings here. So there is few settings that we need to change. So the first setting that you need to do here is you need to look for receive buffers. So you need to go to look for receive buffers and change it to minimum to 2048. Then you should see a transmit buffers. So we need to look for transmit buffers and also change it to 2048, right? Then you need to look for speed and duplex here, and then make sure the value at least 1 Gbps, right? At least, it can be more. Then what you need to do here is to go to a large send offload v2 and make sure it's disabled. Apply the changes and look if the problem persists, if you fixed your net jitter or not. If it's not the case, and if you have pretty bad internet connection, then what I suggest to do here is to use exit lag. I will leave the link in the description below so you can easily sign up through me, and I'll get small commission for that, but I believe you can get a few days free trial, and I will show you how you can get it. So then what you need to do here is to look for CS2, then select basically your region. My case is Europe here, and then you just need to apply the routes and look if you have better results with exit lag. And if you want to get free trial of exit lag, you just need to click my link, and then you just need to do not pay instantly. You just need to press login. Then you need to press don't have account, sign up now, and once you have account, then I believe you can get a few days free trial of exit lag once you're in the main lobby. It should look like this when you log in. After login and you create your account, you can go to download exit lag here, and then you can download it, and I believe you will have a few days of free trial. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like.